We will see conversion of one flip-flop to another flip-flop. So for conversion, we require some logic. So let me say that I have a given flip-flop and it has input as well as output. I want to convert this to some other flip-flop. So for that, we need a conversion logic. From the given data or the data of the second flip-flop to where I am converting that data input, and a feedback taken from the given flip-flop output. A feedback taken from the given flip-flop output, and of course a clock will be there because it is a flip-flop. So this is the logic for that. So what we will do is we will convert a SR flip-flop to a JK flip-flop. So for that I require the excitation table of SR flip-flop. For easy reference, I'll keep it over here. And for combination of present state and next state, what do we mean by excitation table is from the present state and next state, what should be the input S and R. So for 0, 0, it is 0 cross. For 0, 1, it is 1, 0. 1, 0, it is 0, 1, and 1, 1, it is cross 0. Now I'll write the JK present state and next state. With the truth table, I can write this for any present state and next state. And for this present state and this next state, what will be the value of S and R? So 0, 0. Present state can be 0 or present state can be 1. So when it is present state is 0, next state is 0. When it is 1, it is 1. And same way for the JK input 0, 1, present state can be 0 or 1. But irrespective of the present state, next state is 0 because inputs are 0 and 1. Again for 1, 0, present state can be 0 or 1 and next state will be 1 irrespective of the present state. And for 1, 1, the flip-flop toggles, that is if present state is 0, next state is 1, and if it is 1, next state is 0. Now for this Qn and Qn plus 1, that is this present state and next state, what is the S and R value from this excitation table I can get. So 0, 0, it is 0 cross, 1, 1, it is cross 0, 0 cross, 1, 0, it is 0, 1, 0, 1, it is 1, 0, 1, 1, it is cross 0, 0, 1, it is 1, 0, and 1, 0, it is 0. Now with this, I know JKQN, that is the input of JK flip-flop and present state of SR flip-flop. I can get the value of S and R by taking the K-map. So I'll draw the K-map now for J, for S and R. So I'll have J and K here and Qn 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So I will fill this S here, 0 cross 0, 0, 0 cross 0, 0, 1 cross 1, 0. So when I group it, S will be equal to J Qn bar. Same way I'll draw for K also, R also. JKQN. So this is 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, cross 0 cross 1 0 0 0 1. So I'll group these two and R will be equal to KQ. So I got the conversion logic, so I can draw the diagram. I'll draw the diagram. That is, SR flip-flop is the given flip-flop and my S equal to JQ bar and R equal to KQN. So this is S. I'll have a J here. This is QN. So QN is taken as the feedback. Sorry, QN bar. JQN bar. QN bar is taken as the feedback and ANDed with J to get S. Same way, Q is taken as the feedback ANDed with K is the R and clock. So this is complete now JK flip. Thank you.